Wipe them hands off. Get in the mood here. Yeah, there we go. That was, yeah. Was that a handshake or a hug bump? I couldn't tell. Was it that awkward one where you both missed it? And watch for that green light. To the finish.
In order to start.
Hell no.
Yeah, great. Off they go. Whoa, he just got a jump right into the bumper. Well, just gotta roll around here. There we go. In the mud, here we go. Let's the inside. Last turn here, big run to the finish, one to the finish. The Jester takes it.
Yep.
Green light coming. Monster goes ahead and over. Right hog. All you gotta do is not throw it away. Oh, that's a questionable jump there, sir.
That's a weak ass video.
It's not getting mud.
Go. Yep. Watch for that green light. Oh, we got a clean turn on blue lane. For the wheelie. Coming around, drag into the end. Looks like. Watch for that green light. Pretty even. Nice one blind. Jester takes the clean turn at the end. All right, driver's ready. Green light coming. Almost dead even. Pulled down the middle double. Just making the turn. It's a drag race. Getting wild. Purple Jester. Got him by a truck. All right, driver's ready. Here comes the green light. Pretty even on the turn. Let's see how this jump goes. Last turn getting on two wheels. Bulldogs getting wild, running into each other. Two wheels. Bulldogs getting wild, running into each other. That's an awkward truck ride home there. Bog driver's ready. Here comes the green light. Get even around the corner. Looks pretty clean. That ball top. Jesse's